So in this video, we're going to learn how to make a simple design of a hot and delicious burger. As you can see, it's just so attractive. So we're going to learn how to design such a brand like this. So on your launcher, you have to open the pixcellab app, and as you open it, it brings you to this interface. So what you're going to do is just to delete this first new test. After deleting it, you come to this place, to this icon at the bottom of the screen. That is, then you click on it, and then you go to color. You just press the bucket of the color, and then you choose the color. I want to use black as the background color. Then I click on black. After clicking on the black, then I come to this top menu or this top panel, and then I click on this plus here. I clicked on the plus. Then I go to shapes. I click on shapes. Plus is just to add anything you want to add. I click on shapes. Then it brings me to this square shape, but I do not want to use square now. I will now click on this drop down list here. Just click on the drop box here. Just click on it. It brings me other shapes, and then I want to use a right angled triangle. This is a right angled triangle. I click on it, and then I expand the size. I expand it or I enlarge it. Then after enlarging it, I choose the color of the triangle. Just choose this green color. You can see it. Then after that, I clicked on OK. So this is the color of the scene. Then what you're going to do now is to lock it, so that as you are adding much vectors and much images, it's not going to move. So what you're going to do is to click on this layer. This is the layer tab. You just click on it. When you click on it, you click on this padlock icon. So once you click on the padlock icon, it's going to lock automatically. Then you click on the layers tab. Then as you move your finger, it's not going to move. Then what you're going to do now is to add the picture from gallery. Just choose from gallery to add your picture, the picture of the burger. Then it's going to take you to the internal storage of the phone where your pictures are saved. Then you click on the internal storage. Then I saved it in background eraser. I click on my background eraser. Then I scroll down to wherever it was. Then this is it. I crop it to the wanted area of my choice. Then after that, I click on OK. Then this is it. This is how it looks like. But for better designing experience, I have to rotate it to make it look good and attractive. Then after that, I now lock it. So after locking it, I'll now add a shadow effect to the bottom of this side where my cursor is. I'll add a shadow effect. And how do I do that? I click on the plus icon and go to shapes, and then I want to use cycle to add that shadow effect. Then I click on this drop down again, then I click on this cycle. Now for you to add this shadow effect, now what you're going to do is to reduce the opacity. This is the opacity that is showing 100%. You reduce it until it goes down completely. After that, you scroll down again and go to stroke. You increase the stroke to 100, to wherever it stops, 60%. You increase it, and then after increasing the stroke, you now reduce the size of the cycle. You reduce it. Have you seen it? Now after reducing the size of the cycle, you still scroll down again to where you see blur reduce. You increase the blur reduce, increase it totally. Have you seen that? Then after increasing it, you click on done. Then you now stretch it. Then after stretching it, you now rotate it, or you can leave it like this. Now after that, you come to this shape property, that is this on this bottom panel. You just click on this down option here. Then after that, this option comes when this object is selected. You just scroll like this to your right hand side to where you see opacity of the object. You reduce the opacity to give it a shadow effect. You can see this is the shadow effect of this burger. Now what to do, you lock it so that it will not move. Then after that, we're now going to add our text. What we are going to add is hot delicious, hot and delicious burger, hot and delicious, I'll now click on OK. Now we are going to edit this text. And how do we do this? We come and click this AI code on the bottom of the screen. Just click on the AI code. When you click on it, you now scroll to your right where you see the size of the text. You can decrease the size of the text. Can you see it? Now you press OK. Now you can go to the font and change the font. You scroll down to font, to your wanted font. The font I want to use is Alex Brush Regular. I click on the Alex Brush Regular. Can you see it as reflected here? Then I click on OK. Can you see it? Now you can increase the size of the words you've just typed. You go to your size and then increase it. Can you see it? Hot and delicious. Wow, that's hot and delicious. Now I'll now add another text, and then I click on the edit text. Burger. And let's type out burger. This is the burger. Now I want this burger to be a block letter. I'll come to this, tap it, this big T and small t, then I click on it here. That showed me the uppercase. We call it uppercase, and then I click OK. Then I'll now increase the size of the burger. You can either increase it by dragging this side, or you can use the other way around by using the size to increase. So whichever way you choose. Then I'll now go to the font. This is the font. I'll select my font. Select my font. Let me use chunk 5 to make it blocky, or I use days. Let me use chunk 5. Click OK. Can you see it? Now I want to change the color of this burger. I'll change the color of this burger to this green, this light green. I'll now go to color. Where's your color? Now go to color. Click on the color, and then I select this color. Can you see it? It's giving a nice design. Now you can now reduce the size of the burger, of the word burger. Can you see it? So I want to still use this hot and delicious font. What I'll do, I'll click on it, and then I duplicate it by clicking on this copy. Can you see this copy? You duplicate it. Are you seeing it? Now you drag it here and edit it. You click on this edit icon. In the town. Can you see it? You click on OK. In the town. So this is it. Now we can group these texts together. Are you seeing it? We can group them together. What you do, you go to your layer. I told you this is our layer, this one here. You click on it, and then you come down to this mark icon here. You click on the mark icon. It's going to display box. So what you do, these are the texts. These three now you are seeing here are the texts. So you just mark this one, you mark this and this. After marking, you now come down to this icon here, where you can merge. You now merge it. Now merge it together. Please, if you are finding this content helpful, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so that you will be the first person to get notified. Okay? So let's continue. So after that, after merging it, you now remove the layer option. You can see it. They have become one character. Are you seeing it? They are one character. So what you are going to do now is just to put it at a strategic point, and then you can slightly bend it, slightly, so that it makes your design look attractive. So you can see it's a slight looking in a slanting position. Alright, so you now write up to after typing it, you click OK, and then you fix it here. Let's say I want to fix it here. Okay, then we reduce the size. Let's reduce the size. Can you see it? So if we reduce the size, click OK. Then what we're going to do is to change the font. Let's use that same font we used. We use the name of the font, Alex Brush Regular. Can you see it? You click on OK. So after that, slightly increase it to make your work look neat to 50%. So add another text. And then we edit it. We're gonna type 50%. Click OK. And then we position it by moving it. Can you see it? Position it by moving it, and then we increase the size. increase the size. Can you see that? Increase the size, we position it here, and then we change the color and the font. Use the color, we use this green. A professional design just need to have minimum color of 2 and maximum color of 3. That is the secret behind designing. It's not where you begin to design where you are putting map of Africa or color, they call it color riot. So I was saying, let's change the fonts. We use a better font. Okay, let's try this font, pixcellab 1 regular. Let's try it to make it look attractive. Can you see it? It's now attractive. We put it here, and then doing the same thing, we copy this text. We copy this one. This in the 50 is here. We copy this. We copy it. Then right off. Can you see that? Then we adjust. We adjust. We adjust. Can you see it? Why I'm using this movement tool is that the letter is so tiny, so that is why I'm using it. So you can still use your layer option to select any layer. Like I selected this 50, I click on this 50, so you can use it to select. So to make your work look neat and professional, once you're done with your design, can you see it? It's now looking professional. So we are done for this. We're almost done for this. So what we're going to do now is just to add a little, or where I put it, a little drawing or a little line to make it look more attractive. We go to our plus icon up here, click the plus icon, and then we'll do draw. Just draw. For you to draw, you must first of all set the format. You select the color. I want to draw on this black background, so I'm using this green color. Then I reduce the pen size by shifting it from right to left. It has been reduced from 15 to 6. Okay, let's see 6. I'm gonna click on draw. You just use your finger, do as if you are dragging something. Let me just draw it here. Can you see it? It's now looking fine. I click on OK. Can you see how it looks? So that is how we can do a simple design. So I want you to subscribe, please subscribe to this channel, so that I will be posting, as I'm posting nice design looks, you will be the first person to get notified, and you'll be happy when you're the first person to notify. So thanks for watching. After that, what you're going to do next is to save it. You click on this icon that is up, this save icon up here. Just click on it, save as project or save as image. I want to save it directly as image. So this is already default, but I'll save it in a higher resolution. Just click on this drop icon here, just click on it and go to high. So once you save it, save to gallery, rendering image. Saved image is saved. So you can check your image, the one you've done, this one you've done. You're going to your image, into your file, just click on it. This is not hidden, but I'll show you that it will soon come. This is it now. This is one we just did. This one that was done earlier. Can you see it?